In this lecture, we will explore the process of incorporating images and sub-images into LaTeX document. We will also cover the topics of labeling images and creating cross-references for them. Furthermore, we will delve into the techniques for wrapping text around images within our document using LaTeX. And we will explore options for customizing images, size, and their placement within the document. This is the main document file which I have prepared for you, and the file which you can see here along with the text file, both will be uploaded in your program and you can download from that place. So the topic which we are going to cover here is insert image in LaTeX. So first we have to think about which type of format we can use to insert in LaTeX document. So these are some extensions are displayed here. So this type of format we can use to insert the images in our document, which are JPG, JPEG, PNG, .eps, .pdf. So this type of formats we can use to insert the image in our document, and along with we need one package. Without using this package, we cannot insert these images, and the graphics package must be included in the LaTeX document. Only then we can insert the images. So we can use this command to insert the package /use package graphics, and along with we have EPS pig. This package is used for this type of images. If you are not using this type of format, then you can avoid this package. Next, the most important information for us, the positioning of the images in our document and how we can customize. So here we have some parameters, and these parameters are very important to use. So first you can see H is used if you want to fix your image where is its current location. So this will place the float here, and approximately at the same point it occurs in the source text. And T is used if you want to fix the image on the top of the page. B is used to fix the image at the bottom of the page, and P is used if you want to fix the image on a special page for float only. This sign is used override internal parameter LaTeX uses for determining a good float position, and sometimes we can use this parameter also that places the float at precisely the location in the LaTeX code. Requires the float package through may cause problems occasionally. This is somewhat equivalent to H. And to insert a single image, we have this code is given here. So we will start with the code begin figure and then end figure. So between these two, we will insert the statement. At this place, we can use HT, the parameters which we discussed above. And this is the statement. By using this statement, you can insert the image /include graphics. And in the square bracket, you can see here the size which we can customize according our space or our requirement. Width here we are using 5 centimeter. Height is 5 centimeter. And at this place, we will use the name of the file of image. So just you need to give the name of the file. And one most important thing I let you know, the images which you want to insert in your document must be in the same directory. Only then these images will be inserted in your document. If the images are not in the same directory, then we have to give the path. But sometimes it will be very typical. So I will recommend you that all the images which you are using, keep all these files in your current directory. And when we will discuss all these about the code and by using text file, I will show all the detail. So when you will use this code and run the file, this will return the image in your document. Similarly, if you want to insert sub figures, we have the code. At this place you can see there is small difference. Yes. So here to insert multiple figures or sub figures, you will start from the begin figure and end figure. So this is in between these two statements, we have the entire statement. Okay, so here we have the position. You can customize according to your choice. Slash sub figure, at this place you can give the name of the figure or caption of the sub figure. Then we have the same statement here, slash include graphic, this is the size, and put the name of the file of image. Then this is the next subfigure, and at this place we will put the name of caption. Then we have the slash subfigure and the size of the image and file name of the image. Caption is also used here. This is the caption for the entire figure or set of the figures. Okay, so caption of the figure, and also we can assign the label for the figure, and here slash label FIG, this is the label which can be used for the cross reference, and I will show you the proper use of this statement in our document. So now I want to close all this and we will discuss in the LaTeX document so that this will be more helpful and interesting for you. Yes, so here you can see the same file which I have created in LaTeX document, and at the first place you can see the insert image. So here this image has been inserted in our document. So now we want to see the code for this image. What you will do, you will right click on this place and you will come to the code. Here you can see the code for this image. So here we have slash begin figure, and then we have slash end figure. Okay, and at this place we are using here H. So this will be just after the above content. You can see these content are also published on the right hand side, and just after this image will insert in our document. Okay, F box. You can see on the right hand side the image is inside the box. So this statement also you can use slash F box, and you will close at this place. Okay, so this is the use of a slash box if you want to insert the box for the image. And then after we have the statement slash include graphics, and size of the image you can see here, width is 7 cm, height is 4.5 cm, and this is the file name. See the directory. So this is the my current directory, and this is the text file which I am using, and this is the entire path of the directory, my current directory. Okay, here is certificate courses, then we have LaTeX, and this is the current directory. Okay, this is the text file and all the images which I want to insert in this document. You can see this is the first image, then I have the second image, this is the third image, this is the fourth image. Okay, so these images I can insert in my document file. See in LaTeX. So the most important thing is, if you will keep all these images in your current directory, this will easily insert in your document. Okay, so here then I have the caption, and I give the name of the caption of the figure 1. You can customize according your choice. Okay, and here is the label also used at this place. Okay, slash label, this is figure 1, and we can use anywhere to cite this image or for the reference. Okay, so when you will build this file, yes, and you can see that the image is at the same location after this content. If at this place I am using T, so the see what happen when I am using here T, the image will be on the top of the page. Okay, you can see in the current page the position of the image is on the top. If you are using at this place B, if you are using B at this place, you will see that the position of this image will be at the bottom. You can see the image is now at the bottom of the page. Okay, so in this way we can customize the location or position of the image according to our choice. This is the proper use. And now here you can see that two images are inserted. Right click on this and come to the code for the same. Yes, so here you can find slash begin figure and slash center is used at this place. If I am not using slash center, I removed this slash center. What happens? See, yes, you can see the images are on the left, not in the center. So to make these images in the center, we have to use slash center. So this will make the position of the images in the center. Okay, rebuild the file and you can see that the images are in the center. After that, you can see here we are using two images. So here the code which we are using here is image 1 and image 2. Here is sub figure and the title of the sub figure is size, and here is the code slash include graphic and then size of the image, and this is the file name of the image. Okay, and then we have started the second image and we fix the images in the separate box. Okay, and the same text are here, just we replace the file name, you can see, and the label for the entire we have is figure 2 and the caption here is caption of figure 2. Okay, when you will rebuild this file, you can see on the right hand side, if you are changing here figure 3 and figure 4, rebuild the file. So here you can see that the figures are automatically inserted at this place. Okay, so one side you can see the figure sub figure A and the another is sub figure B. So in this way we can easily insert these images, sub images, and if you have multiple figures, see here I am copying this text from this place, copy and paste here. Then I am changing the name. This is figure 1 and figure 2. So here we have group of 4 figures, and when you will rebuild the file, see we have group of figures which are inserted at this place, and you can customize the size of the figures according to the space and how you want to fix or how you want to visualize the images in your document. Further, if also you want to remove the boxes of each figure, you just remove from this place and then also remove this extra brace. Okay, and you will see that in the first figure the box has been removed. Yes, in the first image there is no box. So in this way you can easily insert the box by using slash fbox command. Sometimes we want to insert the image surrounding the text, as you can see on the right hand side in the section 7.4.1, wrapping text around figure on right hand side, and then we will discuss about how we can wrap text around the left side. So this is very quite simple. Just right click at this place and you can see this is the corresponding command. Here is slash begin wrap figure and slash end wrap figure. This statement will be used. You can see here and this is the same statement as we use here, but there is a small difference. So here you can see the wrap figure 0.45 text width, and same will be used at this place. This is used for the text and this is used for the figure. Okay, and also you can customize the height. We are using here slash height is 0.12 and then image name. This is the image number and the position is center, and also you can use caption and label also. Okay, so when you will build this one and you will see that. So here is one more thing. If you will see at this place, this is left image. Okay, so this is representing the image at this place which you can see here. Okay, and for the figure number 3, this is the code. So if you want to insert on the right hand side, then you will use R at this place, and if you want to insert the image on the left side, then you will use at this place L. See, if I change R into L and rebuild this file, the image which is on the right hand side will shift on the left side. Yes, you can see here the image is now on the left hand side. So to insert the images and to make wrap the images, we need some packages, and come to on the top of this text file, and you will see here some packages which we use at this place. So these packages are used for the graphics, and for the subgraphics we have the package subfigure, and to wrap the images we have /wrap figure. Okay, so these are the some packages which are used in this document to insert the images, to customize them, etc. So I hope by using these text, this will help you to customize your document, to insert the images. Thank you very much to see this lecture till the end.